Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. If you think snails are slow, wait until you see how Turbo beats a board full of monsters and does it with maths. This is the official IMO 2024 problem 5, and today I will not only solve it but also show you a genius strategy that guarantees success no matter how the monsters are placed. So given is total rows is equal to the 2024 and the total columns is equal to the 2023 and the total monsters are is equal to the 2022. Now the condition is given that monsters appear in rows 2 to 2023 only. Rows 2 to 2023 only. So one monster per row. So each column has at most one monster. This point is also noted that key concept is each column has at least at most one monster. That means any column can have at most one monster out of the 2022 total. So total columns with monsters are, we will write that total columns with M are less than or equal to 2022. So there are, we will write that there are 23 columns. It's mean at least one column is safe. One column is safe with no monster. Now this is the situation for whole scenario, that at least one column must be safe, no monster at all at that column, and total are 2024 total rows, total column. Now we will solve this question step by step. Now let's suppose if n is the minimum number of attempts if n is the minimum number of attempts then Since there are since there are 2030 columns and only 2022 contain monsters, so the maximum number of failing attempts will be n-1 is equal to 2022. So n is equal to 2022 plus 1, that is equal to 2023. So this is the final answer. So this is the final answer. If this video helpful, subscribe, like Math Solver 1117 for more epic IMO breakdowns, and entry test preparation videos are coming daily. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.